Now moving to Google Calendar. How can you schedule Google Calendar? How can you schedule a particular class? How can you schedule a particular class for us through the Google Calendar? Okay. Now let's suppose I am selecting this create. So welcome to your new Google Calendar. Got it. So see, this is the wholesome calendar where you can go it. Now I want to schedule a particular meeting for 17th. Okay, 17th. So this is the marker, red color, the present time. I want to schedule the meeting at 3. I want to schedule a meeting at 3. Okay, you just click it create. Okay, you just click it create, or you can just keep the cursor here. Just keep the cursor here. You click on that particular cell. Okay, you will be getting a pop-up to schedule a meeting, and give the class name here. You just give the class name here, class 12th. Okay, schedule is scheduled at 3:30, or you can just simply change the time from here. Just write 3 to 4. Okay, you can change the time. You add the guest here. Who is the guest? You can write. You can copy the mails from here. Let's suppose I am having these mail IDs. I want to copy these mail IDs. Copy. These are my guests. I want to paste it here. I want to add the conferencing. So join Hangout Meet. Okay, join Hangout Meet. If you are able to see it, I have added my guest here, email IDs of my guest. In view the details of my this Hangout meeting ID. Okay, these all things. Add description if you want. Python pandas. Okay, just close it. Conferencing has been added, and check it out here. Okay, more options. Click on more options. Will be taken to this window. See how many mail IDs are there. So I have added all the mail IDs here. Okay, I have added all the mail IDs here. Class 12th is there. Hangout Meet is there. I am the organizer. Okay, these are the things. Save it. Now would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guest? Now when you saved this document, when you clicked on this saved button, it gave the pop-up window. Want to send invitation emails to Google Calendar, send it. So see, guests from outside your organization. So you can just invite external guests or continue editing. Are you sure that you would like to invite them? Invite external guests if you wanted. Okay, want to receive better notifications? Continue. You allow the notifications from calendar. You will be getting the notification from calendars on the window. This is how you will be notified whenever you are having the meeting. Okay, now my meeting is scheduled. Okay, I am having the notification here. Okay, now when I clicked on this 12th part, I got this pop-up saying that class 12th meeting scheduled on 17th, join hangout with this hangout meeting ID. Okay, 11 guests, 1 yes, 10 waiting. 1 is the organization, 10 are waiting. I am the organizer. 1 click, all details in one view. You can also RSVP, join a video call or perform actions such. Now you can click on people's option. This people's options, you will be having the teacher, or you can invite other teachers here as well. Okay, you can invite students here as well. If I click on this window, in this option, I am getting the options of emails. Okay, what I can do is that the similar way I did, I can copy these content. Okay, I can copy these email IDs. Okay, I can paste it here, same which I have done earlier. Okay, so I am having these mail IDs, so I can invite the students from here. I'm sharing invite through this option. See, all the email IDs are being here. Okay, I can select this option. Automatically all mail IDs will be selected. You can select this option. You can email them. You can email all the students. Just click on email and you'll be taken to a new window. This is your new window, email window. The school mail ID. You'll be taken to this mail ID. So see, automatically all these students came in this section. If you want, you can give the subject to this. Google Classroom. Okay, and topic with meeting ID. What you are here on this mail, just go here, you go to the settings part. You will be getting this option called as generate meet link. Okay, you will be getting this part, generate meet link. Meeting link will be generated. Okay, you can copy this meeting link. Just copy this meeting link, which is visible to students, which is on, visibility is on, meeting link. You copy this link, you just go into the mail window tab, just paste it here. Okay, just paste it here. You can copy the class code as well. You can copy the class code as well. Okay, and you can just paste the class code here as well, and give the timing here, whatever timing you are having or whatever you have scheduled the meeting. The mail has already been shared with them. I'm telling you this thing, you can do it by sharing through the mail, or else, which I have already told you earlier, you can do in 2 ways. Okay, after this you can just send it to the students. So from the setting which I have done, so my meeting ID is showing on the front screen as well for the class 12. Okay, I can start the hangout with them. Now next topic will be my hangout, how to hang out with the students, or to conduct the meeting, basically conduct the meeting with the appropriate word should be to have a meeting with the class, with the students. Okay, before moving to hangout part, I will be telling you the settings part. You click on settings here. You make sure that all the options are on. All the options are on, because you are having comments on the post, comments that mentions you, private comments, late submission of the students, resubmission of the students, invitation to co-teachers, and schedule post published. Whatever you are having, you can just go from here. You just will be having the settings. You will be start on the. Now moving to hangout part. If I am moving to this mail part, I will be directly going to these 3 dots. I will be having the meet, or I can have a hangout part. If I click on this hangout, I'll be taken to the hangout part. Okay, this is my hangout one. So you can do the messaging, voice calling and video calling. Okay, I'm having video call, I'm having messaging. Now my hangout is okay, it is working fine, it is installed, it is having conversation, phone calls, invites, whatever downloads you are having, you can go to that part also. Okay, apart from that, if I go to this section, if I click on this part, directly click on this part, I will be directly taken to the meet.google.com. So I will be on the meet part. Okay, I will be on the meet part. Means my hangout and meet are activate. My hangout, this hangout part and this meet part is perfectly working on my systems. The settings are proper. Okay, this is my meet part. So I have already scheduled my class for meet. So see, I have already scheduled a class for this. So it is showing 2:29, the half an hour prior intimation, and you can join it directly from this link. Okay, you have scheduled this meeting in the meet, or I have clicked on the meet part. I went to this part, I have already clicked on this part, which is all automatic there. You don't require to have this, you don't have to again go to the meet and hang out. You just don't have to go anywhere, you just have to click on this link. You have to just click on this link and your meet will get started. Okay, this is your meeting, this is your meeting part. I'm having this turn off camera portion and turn off microphone, or turn on microphone or turn on camera. So I'll be joining this session. I'm having this code for this session or the meeting ID. Okay, so this is join now, and I will be clicking on the join part. I'll be clicking on the join part and I'll be able to join that particular session. Okay, you can copy this joining information. Just copy this joining information, and you can go to the WhatsApp. So now I will be copying this info, this URL. I'm copying this URL and moving to WhatsApp window. I'm moving to my group, broadcast group. I'll be posting my message here with the URL link which I have shared. You can remove this dial-up number. Just remove this dial-up number. Okay, and you can just share this with your students. Okay, you can share this with your student, and henceforth you can join this session. And you are having key features available here. You are having audio, you are having call, you are having camera thing to be shared with the students. You are having turn on options. You are having the present now, how many students are present, who has entered the screen, your entire screen or a window of a screen. Okay, you can just give a part to the window. Now you can use call, settings, turn on, full screen, change layout, whatever you are having. And you are having this URL as well here, present here, mentioned here always. Okay, you can work upon this URL whenever you require. You give the attachments here if you do on the calendar, and see how many participants are there. Okay, you can see, watch this participants, how many participants are there. Okay, at present I am just one. You can start the chat as well, what queries they are facing. Okay, so this was the thing which I wanted to share with all these teachers. Okay, so I think so you are familiar with this thing. Now you are able to perform this